Good morning, guys. This is DW from Florida. It's March 2020 and it's the coronavirus situation. So it's given me time to deal with a problematic diesel 7000 LXH, the Tahoe unit. Now, this unit has been great from when I got it. It's not that old, but I mean, I have a remote control which I can start it. I just turn it onto the on position and start it from a distance, although I need batteries for that. But other than that, everything else is fine. Meaning, well, the problem was it wasn't starting. I was turning it on. Everything was coming on the display. And as you can see, nothing. I did have oil light come on at one point, but I've checked oil, refilled the oil, and oil spills out, you know, when it's perfect, it's full. And I could never understand what it was, so obviously now I've got a shutdown week. I thought I'm going to find out what the problem with this, because I do need this unit. Last night I charged the battery. It's not the correct battery that belongs to it. It's a lawnmower one, but it does the job. Made sure there was diesel in, which there is. It's plenty of diesel. Made sure it was open. The diesel could run the fuel line. I've also turned it onto the on position. Obviously, all the instructions are up there. And then come to try and run it. Nothing. And you can see, I'll turn that off again. You can see the oil light. Oh, yeah, engine oil light warning light comes on just there. I don't know if you can see it. Actually, can you see it? Yeah, just there. But I think that's just as you are getting ready to start it, because it does actually go off once you've started it. But I have checked the oil. Oil's full, and it's come up again. Now, did a test on all the fuses, but obviously that fuse links to this, so that's on, so that fuse is good. And I thought, it can't be anything serious, because, well, if it was something serious like spark plugs, you do it trying to crank, or so that was the annoying problem, no cranking. So what I did is I first of all took off the fuel, the air filter on the side to check that, and it's nice and clean and good, because I've not used it that often, because, well, I've not needed it. I have another one as well, so I checked that and it was perfect, no problems at all. So I'll put that one back on, and then the other thing was, it was driving me nuts, so I took the panel off here, and obviously this is where the wires are, and this is your relay switch, or the one that clicks when you turn in the ignition. So I turned it, left it on, kept my finger on it, and played with all these until I got to this relay switch, and one of these connections, which one was it? Let's move it around. This is, I think this unit here is the remote, because obviously that connection is obviously some sort of receiver. Come on, don't call me a liar. Come on, you can do it. Which one are you? It's not even clicking now, actually. It was clicking earlier on. So that means something's gone inside this relay. It's not that stuff, because that's the... Not that. go through what I did. I'll just play with some of these until that clicked. Right. So is it the switch? You can hear the switch clicking in. Hope you guys can see this actually. Sorry about this. Aha. This Chinese make, I think. Right, I can hear the clicking now, which is good, because earlier on it wasn't clicking. Aha, it tried. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Oh, how excited we get, eh? Those guys. We hear what it's trying to do. Come on, you can do it. There you go. That's it. I'm on the white switch here, so the white connection. Come on. So as you can see, it's this relay unit there, starter, whatever it is, that's doing the problem. I actually wiggled the white cable. So I'm going to check inside this. I'm going to take it off. I don't know if, I think you can pull these out. It may just be a bad connection. I can solder that. But that's the unit, that's the problem. So if you get that, the same sort of problem as what I'm getting, you know, give it a try. See, it's not starting again now. So I know exactly what it is. I'm going to get that organised. I just want to let you know that if you're having the same problems, you know, give me a shout out. If I can help, I'll help you. If not, all the best, and thank you very much and stay safe, everyone out there. This is DW signing out. Please subscribe. I do many different things, from vehicles, jet skis, forklifts, tractors, compressors and generators, as well as life's little lessons. So life lesson 1 million. Stay safe. See you soon on the flip side.